Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make popcorn. So we're going to use the Orville Reed Impactors and we're going to use the Colonel Seasoning popcorn. And also, you could also use this for making the popcorn. We will show you later. And also, you could find any of these in the link below. You could go ahead and buy them. And now let's get started. So first, you get the scoop of one of these popcorn makers. And then you scoop it in here for you to know how much. Well, clumsy me. It's fine if you drop it, I guess. Well, it's just a bit hard to clean up. Anyways, you could see our first video, caramel popcorn, in the link below too. So now let's get started. Now, let me go ahead and pour this in. Whoa, look at that. And now, all you need to do is press the button. Maybe you put this up here, and then, I never used this before, so I'm gonna press the button and see what happens. OMG. So we use Colonel Seasons popcorn seasoning. Well, I want to pick butter because I love butter. Well, butter is usually my favorite for putting on popcorn. So there is nacho cheddar, cheesy jalapeno if you want it to be spicy, garlic parmesan, white cheddar, there's two of it because I'm pretty sure it's most popular, bacon cheddar, and finally ranch. Well, I'm gonna choose butter, and do you want to choose white cheddar because it's the most popular one? Yeah. You read my mind. Now let me just open this one. I want to open this one too. Yep, let's now season it. Whoa. So good. Now, let's try it.
It looks delicious.
Let me try yours. So that was a fail because that was yesterday, but today we're going to try it again.
So yesterday we forgot to add the butter, so now we have to add the butter. Because without butter, it doesn't stick to the seasonings. So now we're gonna cut the butter, but first we need to open up this. Okay. I'm not very good at this. Okay. Now it's time to add the butter to up here. These slimy hands, like Vaseline.
Now let's go press the button and see what happens.
Popping out so much.
Yummy!
Remember, be careful.
Ooh.
It won't melt all the way, so you could put it in the microwave.
Now add the melted butter. Now mix it up.
It looks so good.
Now add the seasoning. We're adding garlic parmesan, see?
Because it tastes the best. So good. Look at that. It's great.
Okay, now you just mix the rest and close the lid. Ooh, powder.
Now it's time to try it. It tastes way better than yesterday.
Yeah, it tastes good.
We also did a second batch, natural cheddar. It's also really good, so you should try it. Yeah.
You want to make popcorn? Please see the link below.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching.
Bye!